I have wanted one of these forever because, as you can see, I bake a lot of bread every weekend, which for me means that every weekday I am taking a lot of bread to work with me, and I spend a good 20 minutes trying to slice through one of these tough to slice sourdoughs. No longer. This has been an absolute gift of an item. This slices so quick and easy. The first thing I want to show you though before I put this down, because this has almost been a giggle for us for the last few days since the brand did send this for me to review. Once you put this on your counter, it has some grit to it because it has the most magical suction cups I have ever tried on a device like this. And what I mean by that is they're serious. When they stick, it is not going anywhere unless you really pry it, which makes it really nice to use when you're trying to be quick in the morning like me. So let me show you then how nice and easy this is to use. And I'm doing it backwards, so forgive me a second if it takes me a second to go in the right direction. So I just press my bread sliced face against the feeder here. There is a feeder on the back here where my slices go back and are essentially kept in order. I am able to quickly get the most perfectly cut, nice edge slices in this crisp bread. And if I want to be quick with it, I gotta stand up to make sure I'm going in the right direction. I can be as quick as I want. I was going at first a little slow so that you can see, but now you see same width every single time. What a phenomenal piece. The nice thing too is you can cut a slice anywhere from, impossible to be 0, but it goes from 0 to 0.8 of an inch. So you have some movement here within the dial that makes you be able to cut, say, a much thinner slice if that's what you wanted. With the same blade, I can cut a much thinner slice that still stays every bit as nice as these thicker ones. This thing is phenomenal. So again, it's adjustable, it has that guide, it has these insanely good suction cups, but it also gives you the ability, they send the screwdriver in with it that you can take the blade off, clean it, easy to maintain. Highly recommend this. Comes on a great butcher block feel type piece wood. Just a quality feel to something that solves a big problem for me as somebody with a sourdough baking addiction. This one is one that's gonna last us a good while.